Today we will start a topic about history. Theme: a period of transition with the beginning of the modern world. History is classified into three periods. First, ancient; second, medieval; third, modern. There are different periods in Europe and in India. In Europe, the stage of development started in 15th century, and in India began in mid 18th century. The major turning point of transition in India are related to conquest in India by British. Battle of Plassey is considered the main turning point of the modern age in India. What are the features of modern age? History divided in three parts: ancient, medieval, and modern age. What is the starting of modern age? I already take it. And what are the features of modern age? Urbanization, globalization, technological advancement, fundamental civil liberties, humanism, rationalism, industrialization, democratic institutions. So now we start a topic: what effect of transition period in India and Europe. Back to the history. First of all, we learn about the modern age at Europe, in Europe's countries. The modern period in Europe in 15th century. The important change had occurred by that time. Feudalism had declined. What is the feudalism? Towns had developed. Towns had developed. Trade has increased. Rights of individual has become stronger. In this period, these points have many growths. The Renaissance. What is the Renaissance? In which country it started? So let's take a points on it. What is the Renaissance? The 3 centuries between 1300 CE and 1600 CE, a great moment of change of in discoveries. What is the change and what is the discoveries which lead to modern age in Europe countries? Let's discuss about it. The movement representing a new spirits in every field in life is referred to as the Renaissance. And what is the change in a transition change? French word Renaissance comes from French words rebirth, revival. Rebirth means Renaissance used in revolutionary change in Europe and marked the transition from the medieval to modern age in Europe. The expansion of trades, voyages of history by Italian merchants, interaction with various societies and their wealth and prosperity will come. Another important events in Europe starting from far-reaching consequences was the capture of Constantinople, the capital of Byzantine Empire, Eastern Roman Empire in 1453 CE by Ottoman Turks. What is the result of this? This clear a new way for voyage